Our planet is home to billions of animals. Yet none are quite like the mammals. Warm-blooded and adaptable, they breathe air, nurture their young with milk, and thrive across every corner of Earth. From the soaring bat to the mighty whale, from the dense forests to the open plains, mammals have conquered land, sea, and sky. They display intelligence, emotion, and powerful bonds of family. And now, as part of our A to Z series, we begin a journey through the world of mammals. A to Z mammals of our planet. Let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe. African elephant is the largest land mammal on Earth. Known for its massive size, long trunk, and large fan-like ears. These gentle giants play a vital role in their ecosystems by shaping the landscape as they feed on trees, shrubs, and grasses. Their tusks, which are actually elongated incisors, are used for digging, stripping bark, and defending themselves when necessary. African elephants live in herds led by a matriarch, and their social bonds are strong, with deep communication through vocalizations and even low-frequency sounds that travel long distances. Sadly, they are endangered due to poaching for ivory and habitat loss. The alpaca is a domesticated animal native to South America, particularly in the Andes Mountains of Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. Related to llamas, alpacas are smaller and prized for their incredibly soft fleece, which is used to make warm and luxurious textiles. These gentle and social herd animals graze on grasses and are highly adapted to high altitudes. They communicate with each other using humming sounds and are known for their calm nature, although they sometimes spit to show dominance or annoyance. For centuries, alpacas have been a vital part of Andean culture and economy. The antelope is a graceful herbivore found across Africa and parts of Asia, known for its speed, agility, and long, slender legs. With many different species ranging from the small dik-dik to the large eland, antelopes thrive in diverse habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and deserts. They are prey for big cats and other predators, so their survival depends on their keen senses and ability to run at remarkable speeds. Many species live in herds, offering protection in numbers, and their horns, often curved or spiraled, are used for defense and competition among males during mating season. The armadillo is a unique mammal native to the Americas, especially South and Central America, though the nine-banded armadillo is also found in the southern United States. They are easily recognized by their tough, armor-like plates that cover their bodies. Armadillos dig burrows for shelter and feed on insects, grubs, and plants, using their strong claws to forage. Some species can curl into a ball as a defense mechanism, though not all can perform this trick. They are nocturnal and solitary by nature, relying on their armor for protection from predators. The anteater is a specialized mammal known for its long snout and sticky tongue, which it uses to feed on ants and termites. Native to Central and South America, there are 4 species, with the giant anteater being the largest. Despite lacking teeth, anteaters consume thousands of insects daily, tearing into nests with their strong claws. They are slow-moving but highly adapted to their insect diet. With their shaggy coats and unique appearance, anteaters are one of the most distinctive insect-eating mammals in the world. Baboons are large, intelligent monkeys found mainly in Africa and parts of Arabia, living in troops that can number over 100 members. They are highly social animals, communicating through vocal calls, facial expressions, and gestures, and spend much of their time foraging for fruits, seeds, roots, insects, and occasionally small animals. Known for their dog-like snouts, sharp teeth, and strong bodies, baboons are both powerful and adaptable, while grooming among troop members strengthens social bonds and maintains group harmony. Badgers are small but robust mammals, known for their bold and fearless nature. Spending most of their lives digging intricate underground homes called setts that can be used for generations. They are nocturnal omnivores, feeding on earthworms, insects, fruits, roots, and occasionally small animals. Equipped with strong claws and muscular bodies, badgers are expert diggers and use their burrows for safety, making them both resourceful and courageous despite their modest size. Bats are the only true flying mammals, with over 1,400 species found worldwide, playing crucial roles in ecosystems as pollinators, seed dispersers, and controllers of insect populations. Their wings are made of thin skin stretched over elongated fingers, giving them agility in flight, while many species navigate and hunt in complete darkness using echolocation, sending out high-frequency sounds that bounce back as echoes. Living in colonies that range from a few individuals to millions, bats are highly social and essential for maintaining ecological balance. Beavers are large, semi-aquatic rodents famous for their skill in building dams, lodges, and canals using wood, branches, and mud, creating ponds that protect them from predators and provide easy access to food. With strong, continuously growing teeth, beavers can cut through trees efficiently, while their flat, paddle-shaped tails help them swim, balance, and communicate. Known as nature's engineers, beavers work tirelessly to shape their environment, leaving a lasting impact on ecosystems wherever they live. Bears are large, powerful mammals found in forests, mountains, and tundra across the world, including species such as brown bears, black bears, and polar bears. They are omnivores, with diets ranging from berries, nuts, and roots to fish and small mammals, and some species, like the polar bear, rely heavily on seals for survival. Bears are strong swimmers and climbers, and despite their size, they can move with surprising speed and agility. Mostly solitary, they communicate through scent markings, vocalizations, and body language. Hibernation is a remarkable adaptation in many bear species, allowing them to survive harsh winters by slowing their metabolism and living off stored fat. Highly intelligent and curious, bears play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. The blue whale is the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weights of 200 tons or more. These gentle giants are found in oceans worldwide and feed almost exclusively on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill, consuming several tons each day during feeding seasons. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are graceful swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. They communicate using powerful, low-frequency sounds that can travel across vast ocean distances. Buffalo, also known as the African buffalo or water buffalo depending on the species, are large, strong herbivores found in grasslands, savannas, and wetlands. They live in herds that provide protection against predators such as lions and crocodiles. Buffalo are known for their thick horns, muscular bodies, and incredible stamina, which make them formidable animals in the wild. They graze on grasses and other vegetation, playing an important role in shaping their ecosystems. Buffalo are social and intelligent, displaying cooperation within the herd, particularly when defending young or injured members. Camel is a remarkable desert animal perfectly adapted to survive in harsh, arid environments. Found mainly in the Middle East, Africa, and parts of Asia, camels are known as the ships of the desert because of their ability to travel long distances with little food or water. Their distinctive humps store fat, not water, which they use as energy when resources are scarce. Camels have thick eyelashes and nostrils that can close to protect against sand, and their wide, padded feet allow them to walk on soft desert sand without sinking. They have been essential to human civilizations for centuries, serving as pack animals and providing milk, meat, and even wool. The capybara is the largest rodent in the world, native to South America, where it inhabits wetlands, rivers, and grassy plains. Gentle and social, capybaras live in groups and are semi-aquatic, spending much of their time in or near water. They are excellent swimmers, with partially webbed feet that help them move effortlessly through rivers and lakes. Capybaras feed mainly on grasses and aquatic plants, and they are often seen coexisting peacefully with a variety of animals, even allowing birds to perch on their backs. Their calm and friendly nature has made them popular among wildlife enthusiasts worldwide. The chimpanzee is one of our closest living relatives, sharing about 98 to 99% of human DNA. Native to the forests and savannas of Africa, chimpanzees are highly intelligent primates, known for their problem-solving skills, tool use, and complex social structures. They live in communities called troops and communicate through vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. Chimpanzees have a varied diet that includes fruits, leaves, insects, and occasionally small animals. Their playful and curious nature mirrors that of humans, but they are also capable of aggression and strong dominance behaviors. Sadly, their populations are threatened by habitat destruction and hunting. The cow is one of the most important domesticated animals in human history. Valued for its milk, meat, leather, and as a source of labor in many cultures. Cows are gentle herbivores that graze on grasses and have a unique digestive system with 4 stomach compartments, allowing them to efficiently break down plant material. They are social creatures that often form strong bonds within their herds, communicating through low moos and body language. Beyond their agricultural importance, cows also hold cultural and religious significance in many societies, symbolizing abundance, nourishment, and even sacredness. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth, capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour, in short bursts. Found mainly in parts of Africa, cheetahs are built for speed with slender bodies, long legs, and distinctive black tear marks running down their faces, which help reduce glare from the sun. They hunt primarily during the day, chasing down antelopes and other small prey with incredible precision. Unlike lions or leopards, cheetahs do not roar, but instead produce chirps, growls, and purrs. Unfortunately, they are vulnerable due to habitat loss, human conflict, and declining prey populations. The cat is one of the most beloved domesticated animals worldwide. Cherished both as a companion and as a skilled hunter. Descended from the African wildcat, domestic cats have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. They are independent yet affectionate, known for their agility, sharp senses, and playful behavior. Cats are natural predators, often hunting rodents, birds, and insects. But they also enjoy long hours of rest and grooming. With their wide range of breeds, colors, and personalities, cats have become a part of human culture, mythology, and daily life, symbolizing mystery, grace, and companionship. Dog breeds. The Dachshund. These small, elongated dogs, often called wiener dogs, are adored for their playful nature and unique appearance. But behind their charming looks lies a heartbreaking truth. Decades of selective breeding have left them with severe health issues that impact their quality of life. Dachshunds were originally bred for hunting badgers, which required a long body and short legs. However, excessive breeding for these features has resulted in serious spinal problems. Their long backs put them at high risk of intervertebral disc disease, IVDD, a painful condition that can lead to paralysis. Many dachshunds suffer from slipped discs, requiring costly surgeries and lifelong care. Even jumping off furniture can cause permanent spinal damage. Another sad reality is that these dogs often experience chronic pain and mobility issues as they age. Their short legs make it difficult to navigate stairs or rough terrain, limiting their ability to live a fully active life. Additionally, many dachshunds are prone to obesity, which worsens their spinal issues and leads to other health complications like diabetes and heart disease. Despite these challenges, dachshunds remain one of the most popular breeds worldwide. But is their suffering worth the price of their cute appearance? As dog lovers, we must advocate for ethical breeding practices that prioritize health over aesthetics. If you're considering getting a dachshund, adopt from reputable breeders or shelters that focus on improving the breed's well-being, rather than just looks. The dolphin is one of the most intelligent and charismatic marine mammals found in oceans and rivers around the globe. Known for their playful behavior and high intelligence, dolphins live in social groups called pods and communicate through clicks, whistles, and body movements. They are excellent swimmers, capable of leaping gracefully out of the water, and they use echolocation to hunt fish and navigate their surroundings. Dolphins are often seen helping each other and even assisting injured pod members, showing their strong social bonds. Their beauty, intelligence, and friendly nature have made them symbols of freedom and joy across many cultures. The deer is a graceful herbivore found across almost every continent, inhabiting forests, grasslands, and even mountainous regions. Known for their slender bodies, long legs, and antlers, present in males of most species, deer are symbols of beauty and gentleness. They graze mainly on grass, leaves, and twigs, playing an important role in shaping vegetation in their habitats. Deer are prey for many predators, which has made them alert and agile. capable of moving quickly and silently through the wild. With their seasonal migrations and iconic antlers, deer are admired worldwide as one of the most enchanting wild animals. The donkey is a hardy domesticated animal that has been a loyal helper to humans for thousands of years. Known for their strength, endurance, and sure-footedness, donkeys have been used to carry loads, pull carts, and work in agriculture, especially in rugged or dry landscapes where other animals struggle. They are smaller and more resilient than horses, capable of surviving on limited food and water. Donkeys are also intelligent and cautious, often mistaken for being stubborn when they are simply assessing danger. Gentle and hardworking, they remain one of humanity's most reliable animal companions. The elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, known for its intelligence, strength, and complex social bonds. Found mainly in Africa and Asia, elephants are easily recognized by their trunks, which are versatile tools used for breathing, smelling, grasping, and even communicating. Their large ears help regulate body temperature, while their tusks, which are elongated teeth, are used for digging, stripping bark, and defense. Elephants live in herds led by a matriarch, and their social behavior includes cooperation, mourning, and deep family ties. Sadly, they are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, but they remain symbols of wisdom, memory, and majesty. The gazelle is a slender and graceful antelope found in the grasslands, deserts, and savannas of Africa and Asia. Known for their incredible speed and agility, gazelles can reach up to 60 miles per hour and perform high leaps called stotting to confuse predators like cheetahs and lions. They are herbivores, feeding mainly on grasses and shrubs, and they live in herds for safety and companionship. With their delicate horns, alert eyes, and elegant build, gazelles are symbols of beauty and swiftness in the wild. The giraffe is the tallest animal on Earth, native to the African savannas and open woodlands. Their long necks and legs allow them to reach leaves high in acacia trees that few other animals can access. Despite their height, giraffes have only 7 neck vertebrae, just like humans, but each one is greatly elongated. They live in loose social groups and communicate with subtle sounds, including infrasonic calls that humans cannot hear. Giraffes are gentle giants, and their patterned coats serve as camouflage in the wild. Their unique appearance makes them one of the most iconic animals of Africa. The goat is one of the earliest domesticated animals valued by humans for its milk, meat, and wool. Found in many parts of the world, goats are highly adaptable, living in mountains, deserts, and farms. They are known for their curious and playful behavior, often climbing steep rocks and even trees in search of food. Goats are herbivores with strong digestive systems that allow them to eat a variety of plants, including those too tough for other animals. They are social creatures that live in herds, and their resilience has made them a symbol of hardiness and independence. The gorilla is the largest living primate, found in the forests of Central and Western Africa. Gorillas live in family groups called troops, led by a dominant male known as a silverback. They are primarily herbivores, eating leaves, fruits, and stems, though their massive strength allows them to break branches with ease. Despite their size and power, gorillas are gentle, intelligent, and capable of showing emotions like joy, sadness, and compassion. They communicate through gestures, vocalizations, and facial expressions, and they share about 98% of their DNA with humans. Sadly, gorillas are endangered due to poaching and habitat destruction. The hamster is a small, burrowing rodent, often kept as a pet, but also found in the wild across parts of Europe and Asia. Known for their round bodies, short tails, and expandable cheek pouches, hamsters can store large amounts of food to carry back to their underground nests. They are primarily nocturnal, spending much of the day sleeping and becoming active at night to forage. In captivity, hamsters are loved for their playful and curious nature, often seen running on exercise wheels or exploring tunnels. Their ability to adapt to human care has made them one of the most popular small pets worldwide. The hare is a fast and alert mammal related to rabbits, but distinct in its behavior and appearance. With long legs and large ears, hares are built for speed and can outrun many predators, reaching speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. Unlike rabbits, hares live above ground in shallow depressions rather than burrows. And their young, called leverets, are born fully furred and able to move shortly after birth. They are herbivores, feeding on grasses and plants, and play an important role in the food chain. Hares symbolize agility, alertness, and fertility in many cultures. The hippopotamus is one of the heaviest land mammals, native to rivers, lakes, and wetlands of sub-Saharan Africa. Despite their bulky size and seemingly calm nature, hippos are among the most dangerous animals in Africa due to their strength, speed, and territorial behavior. They spend much of the day submerged in water to keep cool, emerging at night to graze on grasses. Hippos have large mouths and powerful jaws equipped with long tusks used for fighting and defense. Social animals, they live in groups called pods, often seen basking or wallowing together in rivers. Their mix of charm and danger makes them one of Africa's most iconic species. The hyena is a carnivorous mammal found in Africa and parts of Asia. Often misunderstood due to its eerie calls and scavenging habits. In reality, hyenas are highly skilled hunters, with clans capable of bringing down large prey such as wildebeest and zebra. They live in complex social groups led by females, making them one of the few matriarchal mammals. The ibex is a wild mountain goat found in the rocky ranges of Europe, Asia, and Africa, known for its impressive curved horns and incredible climbing ability. Adapted to steep, rugged cliffs, ibexes can scale near vertical surfaces with ease, escaping predators by retreating to heights that few animals can reach. They feed on grasses, herbs, and shrubs, often grazing at dawn or dusk. Males are larger than females and use their long, backward-curving horns in dramatic battles during mating season. The ibex symbolizes strength and resilience, thriving in some of the harshest alpine environments. The jaguar is the largest big cat in the Americas, found in rainforests, wetlands, and savannas from Mexico to Argentina. With their muscular build, golden coat patterned with rosettes, and powerful jaws, jaguars are apex predators, capable of taking down prey as large as caimans and deer. Unlike most cats, jaguars are strong swimmers and often hunt in rivers, making them unique among big cats. In many indigenous cultures, they are revered as symbols of power, courage, and mystery. Sadly, jaguars are threatened by habitat loss and poaching, though they remain one of the most iconic animals of the New World. Kangaroo is one of Australia's most iconic animals. Instantly recognizable for its powerful hind legs, long tail, and unique way of moving by hopping. Living in open grasslands, woodlands, and savannas, kangaroos are herbivores that graze on grasses and shrubs. Female kangaroos carry and nurse their young, called joeys, in a pouch until they are strong enough to survive outside. These marsupials can leap great distances, reach speeds of over 35 miles per hour, and use their tails for balance and support. They live in social groups known as mobs, and symbolize resilience and strength in the wild landscapes of Australia. The koala, often mistakenly called a koala bear, is another well-loved Australian marsupial. Famous for its cuddly appearance and calm nature. With thick gray fur, fluffy ears, and a large nose, the koala spends most of its life resting in eucalyptus trees. Their diet consists almost exclusively of eucalyptus leaves, which are low in nutrients and difficult to digest. So koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day to conserve energy. Mothers carry their young in a pouch, similar to kangaroos, before the joey clings to her back. Koalas are a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife, though sadly, they face threats from habitat loss and disease. The killer bee, also known as the Africanized honeybee, is a hybrid species created by crossbreeding African honeybees with European honeybees. The kudu is a large antelope native to Africa. Best recognized for the impressive spiral horns of the males that can twist several feet long. Kudus live in savannas, woodlands, and scrublands, where they browse on leaves, fruits, and shoots. Their brownish-gray coats with vertical white stripes help camouflage them among trees and bushes. Kudus are shy and alert animals, relying on stealth and speed to avoid predators such as lions and leopards. Their horns, grace, and beauty make them one of Africa's most majestic antelopes. The klipspringer is a small antelope found in the rocky hills and cliffs of eastern and southern Africa. Its name means rock jumper, and true to its name, it can leap from rock to rock with incredible agility thanks to its tough, rubbery hooves. Standing only about 20 inches tall at the shoulder, the klipspringer feeds on leaves, fruits, and flowers. These antelopes are usually seen in pairs and are extremely loyal, often staying with one partner for life. Lemurs are a unique and fascinating group of primates that are native to the island of Madagascar and a few smaller surrounding islands. Welcome back to Wildlife Diaries. Don't forget to subscribe. They are known for their large, expressive eyes, long, bushy tails, and social behavior. Lemurs belong to the infraorder Lemuriformes, and they are one of the most well-known species of Madagascar's wildlife. Lemurs come in various sizes and shapes, with some species being small, like the mouse lemur, which is the smallest primate in the world, and others being much larger, like the indri, which is known for its loud and distinctive calls. One of the most interesting features of lemurs is their highly social nature. They live in groups called troops, and within these groups, they exhibit complex social structures and communication methods. These communication methods include vocalizations, body language, and scent marking, which are essential for maintaining social bonds and protecting territory. Lemurs are primarily herbivores, though their diet can vary depending on the species. They eat a variety of plants, fruits, leaves, and flowers, with some species also consuming insects. Their diet and foraging behaviors play a significant role in the ecosystem of Madagascar, helping to spread seeds and maintain the balance of plant life. Sadly, many lemur species are currently facing a serious threat of extinction due to habitat loss, deforestation, and hunting. Madagascar, with its rich biodiversity, is experiencing increasing environmental challenges, and lemurs are among the most affected by these changes. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their natural habitats. But much work is still needed to prevent further decline. The most iconic of all lemurs is the ring-tailed lemur, which is known for its striking black and white striped tail. These lemurs are often depicted in popular media, including the movie franchise Madagascar, where they are portrayed as playful and mischievous. However, beyond their portrayal in films, lemurs play a crucial role in their ecosystems, contributing to the dispersal of seeds and maintaining the health of their forest habitats. Protecting lemurs and their habitats is not just about saving a unique species, but also about preserving the delicate balance of Madagascar's ecosystems. With the continued threat to their survival, it's important for both local and global communities to support conservation initiatives and promote sustainable practices that help secure a future for these extraordinary creatures. Lemurs exhibit a remarkable array of adaptations and behaviors that underscore their evolutionary uniqueness. Among the diverse species, the northern giant mouse lemur, Mrsazaza, is notable for its notably large testicles, constituting approximately 5% of its body weight. This characteristic is linked to their polygynandrous mating system, where both males and females have multiple partners, leading to intense sperm competition. Unlike many lemur species that have specific breeding seasons, northern giant mouse lemurs can reproduce year-round, likely due to the consistent availability of nutrient-rich food sources. Socially, they exhibit communal nesting behaviors, with groups of up to 8 individuals sharing tree nests, a practice that may provide thermal benefits during cooler periods. In terms of locomotion, lemurs have strong back legs that allow them to jump between trees, and their long tails help them to keep their balance. Communication among lemurs is multifaceted, involving vocalizations, facial expressions, and scent marking. Ring-tailed lemurs use a variety of purrs, meows, howls, and grunts to share information within their groups. Additionally, their tails, which have 13 alternating black and white bands, serve as visual signals to maintain group cohesion during travel. Reproductively, lemurs display a range of strategies. Ruffed lemurs, for example, are unique among primates in that they build nests for their newborns, carry them by mouth, and practice an absentee parental system by stashing their young while foraging. This approach results in altricial infants that develop relatively quickly, becoming independent travelers in the wild after about 70 days. The evolutionary history of lemurs is equally fascinating. They are believed to have colonized Madagascar approximately 60 million years ago, evolving in isolation into the diverse array of species observed today. However, human activities over the past 2,000 years have led to the extinction of several species, including some as large as gorillas, primarily due to habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are critical, as 98% of lemur species are threatened with extinction, and 31% are classified as critically endangered. Organizations such as the Lemur Conservation Network are actively working to protect these unique primates and their habitats. The lion, often called the king of the jungle, is one of the most powerful and iconic big cats in the world. Lions are unique among cats for their social behavior, living in groups called prides, which consist of related females, their cubs, and a few males. Male lions are easily recognized by their thick manes, while lionesses are agile hunters responsible for bringing down prey such as zebras, buffalo, and antelope. Lions spend much of their time resting, conserving energy for hunting and defending their territory. Known for their strength, courage, and majestic roars that can be heard miles away, lions symbolize power and pride across many cultures. The leopard is a solitary and highly adaptable big cat, found across Africa and parts of Asia. With its golden yellow coat covered in distinctive black rosettes, the leopard is a master of camouflage. Leopards are stealthy hunters, capable of silently stalking prey before making a sudden, powerful attack. They can climb trees with ease and are known for dragging their kills up into branches to keep them safe from scavengers. Leopards eat a wide range of animals, from small rodents to antelope, and are known for their intelligence and resourcefulness. Despite their beauty, they face threats from poaching and habitat loss. The llama is a domesticated South American animal closely related to camels and alpacas. Native to the Andes Mountains, llamas have been used for centuries by humans as pack animals and for their wool, which is soft and warm. Llamas are social herd animals, often displaying gentle and curious behavior. They communicate through humming sounds and body language, such as ear and tail movements. Though generally calm, llamas can spit when threatened or annoyed. They play an important role in the lives of Andean people and remain symbols of endurance and cooperation. The lynx is a medium-sized wild cat, known for its tufted ears, short tail, and thick fur adapted to cold climates. Found in parts of North America, Europe, and Asia, lynxes are skilled hunters that prey on rabbits, birds, and deer. They are solitary and elusive animals, often roaming large territories in search of food. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey from a great distance, making them efficient predators. With their stealth and strength, lynxes are symbols of mystery and independence in the wild. Pygmy marmoset, the world's smallest monkey, is a fascinating creature that captivates the imagination with its tiny size and unique adaptations. Found in the dense rainforests of South America, particularly in the Amazon basin, this miniature primate measures just 12 to 15 centimeters in body length, with a tail that can be even longer than its body. Weighing only around 100 to 140 grams, the pygmy marmoset is perfectly adapted for life among the trees. Its sharp claws and incredible agility allow it to cling to tree trunks and leap between branches with ease. These monkeys are often referred to as pocket monkeys or finger monkeys due to their petite size. Pygmy marmosets are known for their remarkable ability to rotate their heads 180 degrees, which helps them keep an eye out for predators like hawks, snakes, and wild cats. Their diet primarily consists of tree sap, which they extract using their specialized sharp teeth. In addition to sap, they also consume fruits, insects, and small plants. These social animals live in groups of 2 to 9, with strong bonds between family members. They communicate using high-pitched vocalizations that sound like whistles or trills, which are crucial for maintaining contact in their dense jungle habitat. The monkey is a highly intelligent and social primate found in Asia, Africa, and Central and South America. Monkeys are divided into two groups: Old World monkeys, such as macaques and baboons, and New World monkeys, such as capuchins and howler monkeys. They live in groups called troops, where they form complex social structures and communicate through calls, facial expressions, and body language. Monkeys are excellent climbers, using their strong limbs and, in some species, prehensile tails to navigate trees. They play a vital role in ecosystems by dispersing seeds, helping forests regenerate. The mandrill is one of the most colorful and striking primates, native to the rainforests of Central Africa. Recognized by its bright blue and red facial markings and long canine teeth, the mandrill is closely related to baboons. Males are larger and more vibrant than females, and their vivid coloration becomes brighter when they are excited or dominant. Mandrills live in large groups called hordes, sometimes numbering in the hundreds. They are omnivorous, feeding on fruits, roots, insects, and small animals. Despite their fearsome appearance, mandrills are shy and often retreat from danger. The marmot is a large ground squirrel found in North America, Europe, and Asia, usually in mountainous or grassland regions. These animals live in burrows and hibernate for long periods during winter, surviving on fat reserves built up in summer. Marmots are social creatures, often whistling loudly to warn others of predators such as eagles and foxes. They feed mainly on grasses, herbs, and roots. Known for their chunky bodies and playful behavior, marmots are important in their habitats, as both grazers and prey for larger animals. The mouse is a small rodent found all over the world, often living close to human settlements. With their pointed noses, long whiskers, and quick movements, mice are highly adaptable and capable of thriving in almost any environment. They are mainly nocturnal, feeding on grains, fruits, and small insects. Although they are sometimes considered pests because they damage food supplies, mice play an important role in ecosystems as prey for owls, snakes, foxes, and other predators. In scientific research, mice are also essential models for studying human diseases and testing new medicines. Meerkats are highly social animals that live in large groups, often called mobs, clans, or gangs. These groups typically consist of around 20 to 30 individuals, all working together to ensure the survival of the group. Each member of the group has a specific role to play, such as keeping watch for predators, babysitting the young, or searching for food. The entire group depends on each other for safety, food, and survival. The dominant female, usually the matriarch of the group, is often in charge of the breeding, with her mates being selected from the other males in the clan. This intricate social structure is a testament to how closely meerkats work together, ensuring that every member contributes to the well-being of the group. One of the most fascinating aspects of meerkats is their sentry role. In every group, one meerkat is always on the lookout for potential threats. Standing tall on their hind legs, the sentry scans the environment for any signs of danger, such as birds of prey, jackals, or other predators. If danger is spotted, the sentry will issue a warning call, alerting the rest of the group to take cover and seek safety. This task is so important that the sentry often sacrifices their own safety for the greater good, standing guard for hours at a time while the others forage or rest. It's a remarkable example of cooperation and selflessness, as the sentry knows the importance of their role in protecting the group. Meerkats are also expert diggers. They spend a significant amount of time underground, where they create complex burrow systems that provide shelter and protection from the harsh desert environment. These burrows offer a safe haven from the extreme heat of the day and the cold of the night, as well as protection from predators. The burrow systems are often shared by the entire group, and they have multiple entrances and exits to ensure escape routes in case of danger. These burrows can extend deep into the ground and can sometimes be several meters long, offering meerkats a secure and comfortable place to live. Despite their small size, meerkats are surprisingly tough and resilient. They are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in some of the harshest environments, such as the deserts of southern Africa. Their diet primarily consists of insects, but they will also eat small vertebrates, fruit, and plants when necessary. They are skilled hunters and foragers, using their sharp claws and keen senses to find food and protect their burrows. Meerkats are known to use their sharp teeth to catch and eat scorpions, which are a significant part of their diet. Interestingly, meerkats have developed a resistance to scorpion venom, which allows them to safely handle and eat these dangerous creatures. Meerkats also have a unique way of communicating with each other. They use a variety of vocalizations to convey different messages to the group, such as warning calls, mating calls, and signals for food. They are highly attuned to each other's movements and sounds, which helps maintain the harmony and coordination of the group. This communication is crucial for the survival of the group, as it ensures that everyone is on the same page when it comes to avoiding danger or finding food. These remarkable animals are not just interesting because of their social structure or their ability to adapt to harsh conditions, but also because of their intelligence and their sense of community. Meerkats are constantly learning from each other, passing down knowledge about survival techniques and food sources to the younger members of the group. The bond between meerkats is incredibly strong, and their ability to work together as a team is a testament to the power of cooperation in the animal kingdom. So, the next time you see a meerkat standing tall on its hind legs, scanning the horizon, remember that it's not just an adorable little creature. It's a highly intelligent and incredibly social animal, built for survival in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Their teamwork, resilience, and adaptability make them truly fascinating. And it's no wonder they've captured the hearts of so many wildlife enthusiasts around the world. Monkeys are among the most fascinating and intelligent mammals of the animal kingdom. Agile and social, they live in complex groups where communication, cooperation, and hierarchy play crucial roles. From leaping between tree branches with acrobatic precision to using tools for feeding, monkeys exhibit remarkable problem-solving skills. Their curious nature often brings them into contact with humans, sometimes causing mischief, but also giving researchers valuable insights into behavior similar to our own. These animals are essential to their habitats, dispersing seeds and maintaining forest health, and their playful antics never fail to capture the imagination of those fortunate enough to observe them. Orangutans are among the most intelligent and gentle primates in the world. Spending most of their lives in the treetops of tropical rainforests, they build elaborate nests from branches and leaves to rest each night. With long, powerful arms and dexterous hands, they skillfully navigate the canopy, reaching for fruits, leaves, and insects. Orangutans display remarkable problem-solving abilities and even use tools, such as sticks, to gather food. Their slow, deliberate movements and contemplative nature reflect a deep connection with their environment. Sadly, habitat loss and poaching have put these magnificent creatures at risk, making conservation efforts critical to their survival. Rhinos are powerful and iconic giants of the grasslands and forests. With thick, armored skin and a prominent horn, they command respect in every environment they inhabit. Rhinos are mostly solitary, grazing on grasses, leaves, and shrubs, shaping the landscape through their feeding habits. Despite their size, they can move surprisingly fast, charging when threatened to defend themselves. Poaching and habitat loss have made rhinos one of the most endangered species on Earth, highlighting the urgent need for conservation. Observing a rhino in the wild is a humbling reminder of the strength, resilience, and vulnerability of nature. Sea lions are playful and highly social marine mammals, often seen basking on rocky shores or gliding effortlessly through the water. With powerful flippers, they can swim at impressive speeds, chasing fish with remarkable agility. Sea lions communicate through barks, growls, and other vocalizations, especially during breeding season when males defend their territories. Their curious and intelligent nature allows them to interact with humans and other species in fascinating ways. By feeding on fish and squid, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems, making them both entertaining and ecologically important animals. Tapirs are secretive and unique mammals, often referred to as living fossils because of their ancient lineage. They inhabit dense forests and grasslands, using their flexible, trunk-like snouts to grab leaves, fruits, and aquatic plants. Tapirs are mostly nocturnal, moving quietly through their environment to avoid predators. Their presence is vital for forest ecosystems as they help disperse seeds through their droppings, promoting plant growth and diversity. Stealth and majesty. With striking orange coats and bold black stripes, each tiger is uniquely patterned, making it an individual in the vast jungles and grasslands it calls home. Tigers are solitary hunters, relying on their keen senses and powerful bodies to stalk and ambush prey. They play a critical role in maintaining balance within ecosystems by controlling herbivore populations. Sadly, habitat loss and poaching have made tigers endangered, turning every sighting into a rare and awe-inspiring encounter with one of nature's most formidable hunters. Turtles are slow-moving but resilient reptiles, inhabiting both land and water across the globe. From freshwater rivers to the open ocean, turtles have adapted to a wide range of environments. Their hard shells provide protection from predators, while their strong limbs allow them to swim, dig, or crawl depending on the species. Many turtles undertake long migrations, returning to the same beaches to lay eggs, continuing a cycle that has persisted for millions of years. These creatures are living reminders of the ancient world, surviving changes in climate and environment with remarkable endurance. Yaks are hardy mammals adapted to life in the high-altitude mountains of Central Asia. Covered in thick, insulating fur, they endure freezing temperatures and rugged terrain with ease. Yaks are herbivores, grazing on grasses and shrubs while providing essential resources such as milk, meat, and wool to local human communities. Their strong, muscular bodies allow them to carry heavy loads over long distances, making them indispensable for life in harsh mountain environments. Despite their domestication, wild yaks still roam remote regions, embodying resilience and adaptability in some of the planet's most extreme habitats. Zebras are striking herbivores, instantly recognizable by their black and white striped coats. Each pattern is unique, serving as camouflage in tall grasses and helping individuals identify one another. Zebras live in social herds, communicating through vocalizations and body language while remaining vigilant against predators. Their grazing habits shape grasslands, influencing plant growth and supporting other species in the ecosystem. Observing a herd of zebras moving across the savanna is a testament to the beauty, coordination, and survival instincts that have kept these iconic animals thriving in Africa for millennia.